Hello, viewers, and thank you for tuning in to our Cornea Revolution-Motwani LASIK YouTube channel. Up next, we hope you find this next video segment inspiring. He had quite the journey. He came all the way out from Nevada. He underwent the cornea repair, and improving his vision. He was super excited. He didn't give up. He found us all the way out in San Diego. Stay tuned.
Hi, so my name is Bariz and I'm from Henderson, Nevada. I found about Cornea Revolution through Google. I Googled it and I went through a couple of doctors and I saw very good reviews about this place. So I came here and I had a little bit of astigmatism and nearsightedness. So I had trouble seeing things far and also I had double vision. When doctor treated me, he first treated me for repair because my retina was not very flat. It was not very smooth. So that's why I did it for the first time. Last year in September, and after that, when it healed, like maybe it took like maybe 4 months. After 4 months, he did the another second part of the surgery where he treated me for the power, and it has definitely changed my life because now I don't have to wear glasses. I can drive without glasses. I can work without glasses. After first surgery, we'll have some problems because that is only treated to correct your retina, and so you will have to wear maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks just glasses. You can buy it from Amazon. That's what I did. I just bought it from Amazon because without it being healed, it cannot be treated for the second one. So that's why we had to wait for 4 months. But it has been a very good journey for my eyes, and I can see things very clearly. It will definitely help me a lot. Yeah, thank you.